Right. Last time we did HRR dashboards based on Excel. Like I told you, Excel has got some advantages and some disadvantages. So as we would be doing practicals with the Power BI today, you realize that Excel in some ways has got some advantages. Power BI in some ways also has some advantages. You'll be making some assessment there. So, right, let me share my screen. The data we are using, the one we used for Excel. So it's the same data. Right. Let me open Power BI. You can as well open your Power BI.
Okay, already opened.
Okay. So, okay. So can you confirm if you can see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, you can see the screen.
Yes, you can see.
Yeah, so if you open your Power BI, this is what you will see. A blank report, a one-leg catalog, Excel, SQL, for those who are able to do advanced and programming. And you also see some advert here. These are international trainings that you can join depending on the course. So it shows you all this. So we are interested in this blank report. So as soon as you get into Power BI, you then click blank report because it's new. We want to do our dashboards here. So you click on blank report. It brings you into this, it displays all this. This is the interface that I'm seeing. Can you confirm that we are also seeing this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, just like your Microsoft Word or Excel, it will have this task bar or tools bar with the numerous options. So you leave it as it is. If you want to upload your data, you come here where there is get data. So it can give you different sources from Excel, Power BI, data flow, etc., etc. This is where you can get your data. Then let's just ignore that. So you come here to your left. You see here it's written report view. This is where we are, report view. Then the next is table view. If you upload your data, you come this side. This is where you will see the data. If you click it, table view. Then here, model view, where let's say your dashboards are advanced. You want to report connections. But we are not at that stage. Here it connects two or more data tables. Then if you are advanced programming, you use this and this. But we are interested on the report view because it's where we will be doing our dashboards. Our dashboards will happen in the report view. The data will be in the table view. but our report and dashboards will create them here. The other thing, let's just make sure it's on 7 here. You see where my pointer is. Make sure, let me try to put it 8 something, 76. All right. Okay, you can put it 8 or 73. I don't know. It was on 73, right? All right. Let me put it on 71 so that I can see this whole, the whole box, the borders. Right. So we'll be working here. What is our first step? Our first step, we want to upload the Excel that we have. Right. You still have that Excel that I shared for last session.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. I will be using the same data. Right. Ru is saying she can't hear me. I think it's a network because you are all hearing me. Okay, our first step is to import data from Excel. We can use this bar, but it's a long route. But we can use here where it's written import data from Excel. Can you see this icon here?
Yes, Doc.
Yes,
Yeah. So you click here, import data from Excel. Then for me, automatically it's on the file where I have my Excel already. But maybe if it's on your desktop, you start to search so that you find your Excel file. So I will choose, let me try to choose the oldest, 8 January 31. Let me choose this one. It's the same data that I sent you. Right. So it's loading. Have you also imported? Are you importing your data?
Actually, Power
Yes,
BI ndinacho chiri chinenge chiri wrong. So I'm
we
following
are
up to try to
following.
download that.
All right. Others, have you managed to import the Excel? Who has managed?
Yes, there's a table written in Navigator and it has another dashboard.
All right. So remember, these were outputs, pivot tables, HR data. They were and HR dashboards. We are not interested in them. We are interested in the original data, which is table 1. And right. Class, are you following?
Yes, we are following.
Yes, sir.
So you click on table 1. It will
Yes, we are following.
load, transform data. It will give you 2 options, load or transform. So Power BI gives you an option to process your data, to transform it. So if you click transform, you start to process the data. In case maybe there's missing data, there is inaccurate data, you start to correct that data. So it gives you that option to transform. So let's just assume that our data set is what is clean. We then click load. Right. If our data is clean, we click load. Hello, are you following, class?
Yes, we are following.
Yes,
Yes, we
sir.
are following.
Is your data loaded?
Yes.
Yes, our
Right.
screen is just yours.
Right. So once it loads, you will see this now. Right. The beauty of Power BI, we don't have to come up with the pivot tables. Remember with Excel, before we had the dashboards, we had to have pivot tables. Do you still remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So now here we don't have pivot tables. We go straight to dashboards. So to come up with a dashboard, make sure you are on report view. To come up with the dashboards, you come here where it says build visual. Right. I hope you all have this build visual, these pie charts, bar graphs, etc., etc. There are a lot of them. Right.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Are we supposed to click on report view or Timbomira, Mati, a report view?
Already should be on report view. But if it's not, can you click on report view?
Okay, all right.
Okay. With this is Tariro.
Yes, sir.
All right. No, it's fine. I can't see the name because I'm sharing my screen. All right. So automatically it shows you these visuals. Right. There are a lot of them. And they are beautiful. If you are a good designer, if you are not like me, you will come up with something which is very, very beautiful. So let's start. Let's come here. You see where there's table 1 here on the far right, where there's my pointer. Hello?
Yes, we see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's click on table 1. You see all our variables that are on that spreadsheet. They start to pop up. Some are in summation, some are not in summation. Right. So these are the what are the variables, and we want to produce dashboards based on these variables. Our first variable, department. Let's start with the department. Right. We agree that we start with the department. Hello?
Yes. Yes, we
Okay.
agree together.
So what we are going to do is to start by selecting a bar chart or a pie chart we want. Let's select this one, clustered column chart, this one. Let's click. You see it now appears on this on the report view. Right. After that, remember we have x-axis here and y-axis. I think you can relate from that Excel. So what we need to do is to tick department. When we tick department, it's now appearing on the clustered bar graph there. It's now written department and department. What do you think we are not seeing columns or bars? What's the problem there? If you have got answer, you can shoot. I can't see your hands. What do you think, department? We are not seeing the whole bar graph. Guys, were we together on Excel? Hello?
Yeah,
We
we
are
were.
together. Such a
Yeah,
blank
what's the problem here? Why are we not seeing the bar graph? class. Okay, it's not on y-axis. It's only on x-axis, right? It's not here on y-axis. So what we do, you right click and then you left click, then drag department and put it on y-axis.
Mm.
What happened? You drag and put it on y-axis here. You see what has happened.
Yeah.
We now have the bar graph,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. I hope even in your screens you now have the bar graph. So
Correct.
now we can see operations is the one with the many people, marketing, finance, HR, and finance, they have equal numbers in terms of high headcount, and IT sales as the list. Right. Now we want to design our budget. For example, here, how does our MD know the exact number of the operations? So we need data labels. Right. For you to edit this budget, you come here, format your visual. Can you see this icon?
Mm-hmm.
You click format your visual. Right. Are we together?
Yes, we are together.
Right.
Yes.
For example, I want to remove this word department because I want my heading at the top here. Department. Department is on x-axis. Right. These are x-axis. These are y-axis. That is Form 3 stuff. So I come here x-axis. Right. It will give me what? A lot of options. But I want to remove this title, department. I go down, I move this down, then I come on title here, I click on off. Right. You see the department has disappeared here. How many succeeded?
nhasi zviri kuhamba sei zviri kuhamba kudarika excel.
All right. So I'm happy. Right. So we are done with the X's. Let's close here. If you click on this arrow, it will close everything for x-axis. Because if you leave it open, you will be confused as we go on. Right. Now we want to edit y-axis. We want to remove the title. We want to even remove these figures because we have data labels. There's no need for these figures. Right. So we click here on y-axis. It will open and give us a lot of options. Right. We want to remove values first because we are going to have data labels. So we have removed, we press here on values off. Right. Our values have disappeared. We want to remove the title again. We press title off. You see, we are only left with the title at the top here. So we have cleaned our y-axis. Right. What do we do next? We go back at the top. We click the arrow to close the y-axis. But our data labels, we need our data labels so that our superiors can see that this is 30, this is 24, this is the 23, etc., etc. If you see here, you go down here, there's what is called data labels. Can you see it?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, data
Yes.
labels. Right? Mm-hmm.
You click here. What has happened? You can see our table, our bar graph now has data labels. Operations has 35 employees, marketing has 24, finance 23, HR 23, IT 23, sales 22. Right. I think we are almost done with this bar graph. But the problem, our title, is it correct count of department by department? We would rather have a title written department only, rather than saying count of department by department. Right, what do? We want to edit the title. Now, we don't come here where it's written visual. We come here where it's written general. You click general. Right. Are we together, class?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Right. On general, the first thing you see is properties, then title. So we click here on title. We'll see here written text. We now delete everything in that box. As I'm deleting, you will see my title is also deleting there. Then we just write department. Right. So it's now there, department, or you don't close. You don't close on title because we want to do a lot of things there. Right. Are we together, class?
Together we are.
Yes, sir.
Right. We want that one to be at the center. You come here. You see where it's written horizontal alignment. We click this one, which is saying center, which is at the middle. Our department, the title is now at the center. Right. What else? We want a background color to the title there. What do? We come here where it's written background color, not text color. It's okay as black. You come here, background color. You choose the color that you want. Let's just choose this one. You know, I'm not good in designing, etc., etc. So this is the one that I have chosen. You can choose another one. So our department now has a background color. Now we are done with the title. We close the title. But we want to have special effects, right? Let's click on special effects. Background color, it's okay as the white. Visual border. Let's start by closing background here. Visual border, we might need to change that one. Let's click on visual border. Color of visual border. Let's choose another color. Let's choose this one. You will see our borders, these ones, are now in a different color. Right. We want our corners to be rounded. Rounded corners. Let's choose maybe 5. You will see as soon as we click 5, our corners are now
Mamanya. Tichiri
where are you?
background color ye visual border.
Yes.
Ndo pata kugumira kunzwa mukumhanya nhasi.
Okay, but have you chosen your color?
Yes, the
Hello,
background
sir.
color.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sorry
I
to
can hear you.
Sorry to take you back a bit. I think my network had an issue. The moment we went to department, I'm now lost. I'm trying for the graph to come out. I'm not getting it.
All right. I said when you're on department, right? Drag the department and put it on Y axis.
Oh, okay. All right. Now I'm seeing the graph. Okay.
The graph, right? Okay, let's try Power BI at times it adds up. So let's just go back a bit. Maybe it will be a revision to others.
Okay.
All right.
Select and track fields from very slow.
Your machine is slow.
All right. So you are. What do I do? Right. Okay. Good. All right. So you are here. This is where you are. Yes. Now my challenge is that what should I do? That's the difference between Power BI and Excel. I need to start again so that yeah.
Can't you? Okay.
Right. Anyway, let me just start again. Let me close this one and all right.
Thank
Right. Let's just make sure that our network is fine. And
Yes, boss.
who is this one who is calling me boss?
Sorry, I forgot I'm not at work.
I'm your servant, and it. Okay. So I want to share my screen. Let me share. Right, I'm sharing. We open on blank report. We import our data. Imported this one. Right, it's loading. We select table 1. We load it. Right. We don't want to apply any changes. Right. Still loading. Right. Resolved. Here's my table 1 and its variables. I want clustered columns. Right. I want it to reflect department. I drag department here. Right. Okay, so this is the my department. This is where you are. It's what? It's who? It's Florence. Who is this one?
Yes, this is where we are.
All right. So now we want to edit this this table. When you want to edit now, you come here where it's written format your visual. Right.
Okay.
Format your visual. You click format your visual. The first area we want to format is x-axis because we want to remove this title department because it's appearing everywhere. We want this title to be just at the top. So we come to x-axis, we click on x-axis. We have these options, right? So we scroll down, we are interested on the title. We come on the title here and we click and automatically the title is no longer there because it's title off. Right. Are we together, Florence?
Yes.
Right.
setobvekera sure isu because tava taitawo zvamaita achida kuzama kuti tiite revision but takutonetseka.
Muri papi?
Tiri paya pane chakanzi build visuals with your data handiti. Tabva tanochuza yamati clustered column chart ndizvo. Ndo yatachuza. Then pauya bar graph but zvisina makala manje this time.
But maklika here pakanzi department apa.
Department tichamuoniswa.
Department handiti mukauya apa pakanzi table 1 apa. Murupaona pakanzi table 1. Kunoku kwakanzi data.
Data search uku pasi pacho pakanzi table 1.
Alright apa. Ehe.
Click pa pakanzi table 1.
Tapa click.
Tiki pakanzi department.
Isina department ashabuda. Isina click pasiwo.
Department amusumuona data renyu mari importer here.
Yes.
Because kana riri raloada ka rinofanirwa rine department. It's okay, we'll wait for you. But can you be quick?
All right, I'll get him home as I'm
Yeah, but it's a password.
We are on blank report, Tabaya blank report, and didn't
import.
Yes.
What's next?
Import data.
Import data from Excel, is it?
Yes.
It's importing our data. Then we went
to click.
So it's going to push data by
okay.
The data is being imported. Then I go to table 1. Then I right click, I click load. It shows it's loading.
It's
loading. Okay, it is loaded our data. Then I'm choosing clustered column charts. And I've chosen the clustered column chart, but this time around it came with no colors. So I'm going to HR table 1. I right click again. There's no department here.
There's no department.
You have to select what new measure and check on department I shall do.
Is it the all right? What we can do is it the same machine we are using, or we are using another one?
The same machine, sir.
All right, can you share?
Okay. We are using different. We are using a phone to hear from you. Then we are using a laptop. We are using different gadgets. Because
the department should be there, unless it's a different. It's a different data set.
Different data set. Because my data set is the one that comes.
Try
Because
clicking the arrow on your right where there is your document. Try clicking the arrow. You might see that list. That's how we saw it. Isusu.
Data rauya kare ya?
Chero.
Chero iri?
Mm.
Open handiri. But data racho riri kuvhura kuzodzarisire sei saka totora table 1 randiri table 1. It's there, then we right click, we go to load, it's loading. Loading, it's loading. Okay. After loading, that's where
Ndipo.
because look at no color table 1.
hello team.
Pasikuya shi.
My data
Okay, all right.
say.
Can you check here on table view here to see if is the correct data? Remember, you are on report view. You can come on table view here to check.
Table view happening.
Ndokushewa.
Table view is the second from report view here.
Data tinaro say we have the data. But at this kuchauya kuside kwachuka, it's not coming. Okay.
You are saying here, can let me try to share my screen.
Okay. The data we have, it can't check up a table, but it's
All
not
right,
coming.
can you check my screen? I'm saying here, like I will have this table, table 1. If I click this arrow, this should come out. It's not.
Okay, we have seen it, department. The department is there. Okay.
You are HR directors. All right.
Okay.
Who is that one who was counting money last time?
Department.
You are silent today.
Kuterera ndandine chirongo ningirikini but the download is correct my saka but I'm okay.
All right, you can always play the video and at least you are there live, you are following, then you can always do right. So now can you edit the XX? You now have the budget.
Okay, takurisa pana x axis takurisa kuisa kuti pana zviri zviri kutiza izvi tataisa pana x axis zvakumeka sense. It's now making sense. So
But I've not understood what happened.
change, but it's appearing different, maybe because of the bar graph you have chosen. Zviri zvakachinja zvakatarisa kumusoro operations ndio hamezi zvakaita zvakasiyana nezvenyu zvise.
Masarudza tataura kuti sarudzai this one clustered column chart.
Ndiyo yatasarudza, but zvakatosiyana mabudiro azviri kuita zvakatosiyana zvise.
But can you check on your x-axis? Is there only one department? Because at times you might put two variables. Like if I put employee type, you see it's now different. So I have to ensure that I only have department here and here department again.
Okay, we are checking.
X-axis and Y-axis.
Yeah, ndizvozvo zvaita manje. It's making sense.
Okay, no, all right, so it's fine. Can you then edit? Can you come here where it's what format your visual and go to X-axis? Hello? It's what Patricia, is it Patricia?
Only
What's your
party.
name in it's what?
It's party.
What's your name?
P-A-T-T-Y.
Oh, that's your full name.
Yes, a small meat pie.
All right, I know it's fine. Right. Then come here on tide to and turn off on x-axis.
We have turned it off.
Right. So we are now all together, right? So now we want to edit for y-axis. We want to remove the title. We want to remove these figures. So we click here on y-axis. Then we scroll down. We start by turning off the values. They've disappeared. Then we
Some
turn
values are turn off my values.
Then we turn off the title. You see, we are done for y-axis. Right, we close y-axis. Right. Now we don't have values. We need values. You can see here written data labels. We can turn on by clicking. Then we have our data labels. Tariro, are you still in? Hello, Tariro.
Same matika pana data labels. We turn on.
Yes, we turn on.
Okay.
Right. Once we are here, what's wrong? Our title here is wrong. So to correct the title, we click on general. Right. On general, you can see here written title here. We click on title. You don't turn it off. You leave it as it is. You come on this box, which is written count of department. You delete everything and type department. Right. Then once you have department, you scroll down, you come here, background color. Then you click on background color, you choose a color you want. In this case, I will choose this color. Right. After background color, our department is aligned to the left. We want it at the center. You come here where it's written horizontal alignment. You choose the mid one, which is center. Our heading is now at the center. Right. Once you have done that, you can now close the title. We now want to see the effects now. Right. We click on effects. Right, on effects, we are interested in the borders. We come to visual border. First, we turn it on, visual border. Then we choose a color that we want on the visual borders. It's black. Let's choose, I don't know. I didn't go to preschool. Is it purple? Is it light purple? What color is this one? All right, I have chosen that one. I then close visual borders. I also want shadows. Right.
Say you are running. You are running.
Where are you?
You are running. Well, by effects. Then you said effects. What do we do?
We are on effects. Right.
Yes.
We click on effects, right? Then we go to visual border.
Visual board. Okay.
You start by clicking on visual border.
Okay.
Right. Then you come here, you choose a color that you want. If you click this arrow, you then choose a color that you want.
Which are okay.
Right. Are you there? What?
Yes.
Right.
Oh.
We might need the rounded corners, right? And let's select 5 here on this box. Replace 0 with 5 so that we have rounded corners. Right. We are done with the visuals. Then we close by clicking this R. Then shadows. We might want a shadow, right? Let's click on. You see now the table or the bar graph now has what? Shadows, right? Are we together, class? Banasara.
Yes,
We are
sir.
on shadows, sir.
We are on rounded corners 5. Then what, say?
Then you close the visual. You simply close. You are done with the visual. You come here. You close. Right.
It was close way.
Right. You are like this and it.
Rounded corners.
You just come and click this arrow, this one. Can you see my pointer? Or can
Yes.
someone accept Lindsay?
Rounded 5. Pavisual uklika chiaro chepamusoro ichi kuti chiwande chiri pazero.
All rounded.
Chiclika ari pamusoro 5. Then as you close, then where do I close?
You close here. Can you see my pointer? Can you see my pointer? Can you check on your...
Okay.
You click here. It closes, right? Okay. After that, you will see your shadow is off here. Can you see the
Yeah.
shadow? You
Yes.
just click on, right?
All right.
Your graph now is what?
A shadow. All right.
Right. I think for now, let's end there. There are a lot of ways to beautify your bar chart, even to change colors. Some of these things you can navigate on your own. Right. There are many even columns. You can come on visual. Others will now say Takumasure. We on general. You come to visual. Right. You come to columns at the bottom there. You can change the color of the column. Are we together? You are following? Let me choose this one. On column, I've changed the color of my columns. Right. You can select a color that you want. You see my columns have a different color. So there are a lot of these things on visual in general. But now we are done with the department. If you click on the other area, you see now we now have rounded corners. Our borders have a different color. There's a shadow. Right. 3 days. Hello. Betty
Yes,
is
we
now
together.
silent.
We are
Alright.
together.
So let's drag this one and put it probably here and try to reduce size. All right, let's put it somewhere like here. Right. And resize it so that it's small because we have a lot to put in here. Let's push it up a bit. Right. 3 days. Are we all here? Have we resized it and tried to put it exactly here?
Doc, let someone leans in. She's not in.
Can't you? Oh, all right. Let me try. Oh, sorry. I have added here.
Thank you, Doc.
All right. We are now all here, I believe. So you go on that very chart. Then you right click. This will appear. Then you copy. You click here, copy visual. You click. So I have copied instead of us starting afresh to build a different bar chart, make the heading center, colors, etc., etc. We are no longer doing that. We just copy and paste. Let's paste that one. Pasting is Control V and that's the shortcut. Right. Control V, a similar diagram has come up. Right. Confirm if you are with me, if we are together.
Together, Doc.
We are together.
All right. So now what do we want? We want job level and it. Right. Let's on x-axis, let's remove department. Right. We remove department. On y-axis, we also remove department. Then we tick job level. Then it appears on x-axis once you tick. Then we drag job level to y-axis. We now have job levels: junior, senior, officer, manager. But what's wrong with our budget? Hello? Florence,
Hello.
what's wrong with our budget?
That's Sarah say.
We're still trying to
Ah,
put job level, Jesus. And we drag job level to X or to Y axis. Where are we dragging it to?
if you just tick it right, it appears on x-axis and it just put a tick.
It's not appearing. Okay, let's
Hey,
try.
did you tick it
Oh,
here?
yes, it's now appearing.
X
Now you can
At
drag
X.
it
Then
to
you
y-axis.
drag to Y. Okay. All right, now I have the same graph. You are saying what's wrong?
What's wrong with that graph?
What's wrong with that one? I'm not
It's not
saying what's
wrong.
wrong.
You can send as it is to your boss.
I know it needs to be beautified.
Apart from that, you guys
I'm not saying
send to the
It's-
management. What?
We need to change a lot of things there. Was still written through Delane job level, but Kanyaron's department.
Yeah,
And
that's
it's the same graph.
the major thing.
And
Oh.
the same graph that now change was a pie chart or what is the same thing.
Yeah, no, the graph may
it's
not
the
change,
x-axis.
but the challenge there is what?
The
Department.
department,
Yeah.
yes.
Of course,
Supposed to be
since
job level.
you said we must change the graph. We come here, let's say these bars, we want them to be horizontal, right? We come and click here. Next to that cluster that we use, we click here, which is horizontal bars, and it becomes what? Horizontal. Right. First step, since what's your name again?
Yeah, no, we need Stanley.
Oh, Stanley. Right.
Mm.
Since Stanley said no, we have the same thing. Let's try to change. So we have changed. It's now horizontal. Now we want to change the title. Where do I go here? Hello, Stanley. What do I click here? I want to change the title.
You go pakanzi.
Format visual. What? Format your visual. Ndipo.
Yes, here, format your visual.
Mhm.
Right. When I'm here, I want to change the title. Where do I go?
Data labels.
Data labels. They're already there because I have copied and pasted the same
You go pakanzi general. Then you scroll
general,
down
right?
Yes,
pakanzi
general.
title.
Title.
Correct.
Then I come here on text here. I change and I type job level. Right. So you see copying and pasting, it saves what? Time. You just have to correct maybe the design and also the heading only. Just that. Right. We are done with the job level. Let's say we want to know about age. Let's just push a bit here so that age yedu inokwana. We want to put age. Apa ndo pane basa manje. Right. Remember with Excel, it was easy. We're just clicking there to say group, etc., etc. Right. For example, let's click, we already copied, right? So there's no need for us to copy again. Let's say Control V and paste. Right. Right. Then age. Can you see age here? Hello, Petty. Can you see age?
Yeah,
Yes.
we are together. We are together, Doc. We have managed to copy and paste Control V, and another chart had come.
All right. Let's remove department and then click on age. And also drag age on the on the x-axis. What's happening? Age. You see what has happened? Put age on x-axis and y-axis and see what happens. Hello? Hello, class.
We are a bit lost. We are trying to do it.
Finish.
What is happening?
You are repeating what you did, copying and pasting and removing department at x-axis and then y-axis.
Yes.
You are just replacing here on x-axis and y-axis. We are doing the same process that we did when we wanted job level.
Doc, age, if I click age, it's not coming on x-axis. What am I doing wrong?
It's on y-axis, right?
CNYS. Uzoteka wenda pa X up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Unoclicka y-x uzodi.
You bring it to x to x up.
Yes,
it's now there.
Tutoita.
Unclick up and
What are you unclicking?
right, click age and right, then drag it to the x-axis. Up. X to x. Up. Hey, why are you on visual?
I mean,
Just put the.
I don't think why you click your x-axis.
All right, we are
No,
then.
it's different because this is a summation. If you click on age, it's going to appear on Y this time because these have summation. They are different like department, etc., etc. Then you drag it to X-axis. You will come up with something like this. Are we together now?
Yes.
All right, we have something like this. You are not confirming.
Yes, we have something like this. Why are there so many?
Yeah, that's the
edges?
problem because our age is what is the summation, right?
All
That is
right.
why where we have got the problem. Remember when we in Excel we have an advantage of pivot. When you are coming with your pivot table, you then select group. You still remember where we were saying 1 to 5, 6 to 10. Now, what it means, we have to transform our data. You understand? So that we group it. What do we do? Can you please pay attention? We click here where it's written transform data. Can you see here where it's written transform data? Florence, Patience, are we together?
We are together, sir.
Yeah,
Where
let's
is
click
transform that?
transform data. Let me try to close. Here at the top.
Pakanzi formata pazasi pacho.
Have we identified the transform data?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes.
What about Florence?
Yes.
Yes, click on transform. Something like this will appear. Are we together? Hello? Hello?
Yes, we are together.
All right.
What
So
has
if you-
appeared?
So from this side, we are not seeing anything.
you
Is it a
click the
table?
We only
Is
transform.
it
have
a
the
table?
three tags.
Yeah, it's the one. Is it a table? Confirm.
Yes, it's a table, but I'm saying those who are saying they are not seeing anything. Who are these ones?
Windows 9, say.
No, I mean,
Very
oh, it's slow.
same
But have
thing,
you
9,
seen
yeah, but
something now?
it's coming, yeah.
Yes, we have a table with gender, age, department, and so forth.
All right. Now we got here and then drag so that we see our age because we are interested on age. So we are going to look for age. Then when we see the column with age, we click at the top on age so that the column is highlighted. The column is now highlighted on age, right? Are we together?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then we go at the top. You see where it's written file, home,
Sorry, sir.
transform.
Mhm.
Who is this one?
It's Lenmo. Maybe my network is a bit poor. My graphs are not moving. So let me exit the meeting and rejoin. So just accept my my lobby there. Maybe it will
All right,
improve.
it's fine. It's fine. Are we together, class?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
You want to be HR dashboards experts. All right. But what I can say, even after the class or during your spare time, keep on practicing so that you do not forget, right? As you do alone, you will be used to these things. Right. Now I've highlighted edge here. You come here at the top. There's file, there's home, there's transform. There's add column. Can you see add column? Add
Correct.
column.
Yes, sir.
Click on add column. Then you will see conditional column below add column. You click on conditional column. Right. You click on conditional column. You must see something like this. Are we together?
We are not seeing anything from you. Where do we click? We have seen a table saying additional column, column name, operator, value, etc.
Did you click add column?
Yes.
Is there somewhere written conditional column?
Yes.
Click conditional column.
We clicked.
What happened? Hello? Hello?
Something came up, a box came up that is saying add conditional column.
Yes. Where can you see the box with the new column name?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. We delete column and we write age group.
Okay.
You write age group there. You remove the word column and write age group.
Custom, what is it saying custom?
Pagan's custom. Pamunochinja.
Pagan's custom. All right. Okay. Write age group. Right. Here now, Pagan's if column name. If column name, we are now putting conditions now. If column name, we click on that box. Remember, we are dealing with what?
Edge.
Edge. We choose the edge. Then we come to operator. We click the arrow. We go to the last option, is less than or equal to. We choose that one. Is less than or equal to, which is the last option. Right. Depending on our the lowest age, I think it's 25 from our data. Let's say, let's use what? If it's 25, let's use 30. Right. Is less than or equal
I
to
think
30.
the lowest age is 21.
Is what? 21.
21.
All right, it's okay. Let's put 30. Right. Then here we say 20 to 30. 20 to 30.
Where do we write it?
On the output box, output.
Okay. 20 to 1.
Right. Then we come here, written add clause, we add. You click add clause. You will see another box appearing. Then we repeat else if edge. Then here, if less than or equal. Now we put 40. Here we put 31 to 40. Yes.
Pana 30 and pada kusa 40.
But
pana 30 pipe and pada kusa 40.
But it's a new separate in Greek. Then here 31 to what? To 40.
For 31. 40.
Yes. Then we repeat again. Age. Now I'm rushing. Apa ukaisa imwe department chakati ameno ako. All these should be age, handiti. Here is less than or equal. Now we put 50. Right. Here 41 to 50. Right. Are we together? Bana Zara here.
Sorry, say. Pa
Mine.
operator pari kumira sei.
Pa operator baby.
Pa
Paruramba
chitable.
pachita is less than or equal.
Mm.
Then
Two
the
out.
value we change.
Yes, we are changing. Here we had 30. On the second row, we had 40. Now we had 450.
Okay.
Right. Are we together? Are we all here?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, I think it's enough, and it. Then if
Yes.
we think it's enough, we come here where it's written else. Then we put, let's just think maybe the oldest is 100 years. We then say 51 because we ended at 50 years. Remember, we say 51 to 100 years. Right. 51 to 100. That's the last age group that we have. Are we together?
All right. Ini ndanga ndagadzira kusvika pa 51 to 60 saka pazasaba ndakwana else ndakunyora 61 to 100.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay, Ngwe. Right, are we together, Pete and Florence and others? Hello? I need your feedback so that we move on.
We are done.
To click OK. Lenza.
It's okay.
Yes,
Should
you
we
click
click OK?
You click OK. Right. We now have a new column with age group and it. Hello?
Yes, we have it.
Right. Before you close this
Yes,
one,
sir.
let's go on file and click file here, the top here, file. You will see something like this on file. Are we together?
Yes.
Click close and apply. Close and apply. Right. It's now applied under table 1. I should be able to see age group. I'm now seeing age group, right? I hope you are now seeing age group, all of you. Age group
Yes,
here.
you are seeing it.
Yeah. So now we want to remove age on x-axis and y-axis so that we put age group. So I will start by unticking age. Then I start to tick age group. Age group is now appearing on x-axis. I drag it to y-axis. You see now, I think it has got order. You can also, are we together? Or I'm rushing a bit? All right, let me wait for you. But once you are here, can you confirm?
Sorry, sir.
We are together.
On that, after we got a table written age group, how do we exit from that table?
Right.
After we said
It was,
okay.
it was the ticked on edge. You have a tick on edge, right?
Like after we said, okay, Uko, and then we received a table that now has age group. What do we do?
You go on file.
File, okay.
At the
Or
top.
close and apply.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, then now we untick age.
Yes, you untick age. Then you tick age group.
Okay, what okay.
Then you drag it to y-axis.
Something. Age group update. This is something Baba. Usabvise yangu anti. Chakapo.
Okay, we're together.
Okay. So what happens if we feel like maybe want it to be a pie chart? We come here on build visual. We click here on pie chart. This one. This is what is going to happen, but you have to make sure that the space is adequate. You see, the space is not adequate, and our pie chart is too tiny. Our key is not even clear. But maybe what we can do, let's edit the pie chart. You all have the pie chart.
Yes, sir.
Lawrence.
Yes,
Lawrence,
sir.
you also have Windows in 8.
Mine is 10, I think.
All right.
But the person
No.
next to me, Diana, Windows 8.
Okay. No, it's fine. All right. Let's edit. No, the pie chart is small, but I think as you do alone, even in the workplace, you can try to make it your dashboards be a bit better. This is for educational purposes. So let's edit it. First, our legend here, which is our key, has got issues. We want it to be maybe below here. So we want the key to be below. What do we do? You have legend, right? I hope you can see legend. Let's click on legend. Right. Then come here on position. Then we click on the arrow on position here. Then we choose bottom center. Right. I think now your key is now below here. That is your key. But it doesn't fit. You can press on next here to see the next keys. But that is your how you change the legend to be at the bottom. Are we together? Ladies.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, what's left before we go to another tab? Hello, what's left on this chart? Ngwenya. What should we do?
From department to age.
Yes, we
Title.
go on general, we go on title, we edit the text, age group. Right. Then we close the title. We are done with that pie chart. Right. So 51 to 100, we have got 38. 20 to 30, we have got 28. 41 to 50, 43 people. 31 to 40. These are the majority, and it. 41 to 50, followed by 31 to 40, then followed by 51 to 100, 20 to 30, there are few, and it. All right, so we are done there. Then we copy and paste again. We already copied, so there's no need to. We just press Ctrl V. Right, it will come. We have department again. We put it here. Let's just overlap because let's just do 2 charts and move on to the next step. Right. What do we want now? What else? What can we take here?
You can take gender.
Absenteeism days. All right, let's take absenteeism days, because absenteeism days we are going to repeat our that process of transforming the data. We click on transform, right? Then after clicking on transform, we search for absenteeism days. Yes, absenteeism days. Have you reached the absenteeism days? Hello, team.
Pandarasika.
Stanley.
Rasika, chef.
I'm not seeing it.
Transform.
And we are now by a table. We have gone back to our table.
Yes. Stanley, where are you?
Then we transform.
Ora ndabaya transform data kapa.
Eh.
Transform data yobudisa chitable chetembenge tinacho paedge maimanja.
So now below here, pana 20 up. Can you see the number 20?
Numbers?
20.
Yes, if you columns are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20.
23.
Yours is ending at what?
Macolumns angu
50.
akawandisa.
150.
Right.
Columns is so
No, you are not counting the columns. All right, what I'm saying, there is a bar at the end that you can scroll to the left or to the right.
Absenteeism and upon.
Yes.
This
bar which I'm scrolling to the left to the
absenteeism
right.
days.
Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 absenteeism days.
Which one did you
Right. So on absenteeism, you click. But first, let's identify the highest number and the lowest number. So the lowest number is 0. It's 0, right? Can we look for the highest number? I think 20 is the highest number. Can you see? There's 50.
15.
15. There's 15. All right. Let's use the. Let's assume it's 20, right? Then 0 is the lowest. What do we do next? We now want to come up with that column. What do we do? Guys, where do I go next? Stanley.
Then you click conditional column.
All right.
No, I'm not yet there. Where? What do I do?
We want to go where we did
Mamanya
close and
imali.
apply. Where is it? How do
No,
we go to it?
close and apply. Who is this one, Florence? What are you applying? We don't have that column.
That's
Right?
what I'm saying. We want to go there where we get that close and apply, but I don't remember how we get there.
No, we add the column first. Yeah,
Alright.
add column. Right.
Additional column.
Then after clicking add column, that is where we go to conditional what? Column.
Additional column, yeah.
And it today we see this window pops up. And it then we say absenteeism.
Pana customer.
Yes. Is this the correct spelling? Absenteeism what? We want to have a different, this one was saying absenteeism days. We just put absenteeism what? Let's just leave it as absenteeism so that there's a difference in names. Right. Are we together? Hello?
Yes, we are
Right.
together.
On column name here, remember it's absenteeism days that we are using, we are conditioning. Right. So we click on absenteeism days. Here on operator less than or equal to the value, let's use the 5 first. Then output 0 to 5. Right. We add another clause here. Absenteeism days less than or equal to, now it's 10. We say 6 to 10. Right. I think because we are ending at 15. Then here we say 11 to 20. Right. Are we all here?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we are all here, we then press OK. Click on OK. Right. We now have a new column. We can scroll to see if everything is okay.
Hello.
As you can see everything. Yes.
Sorry to interrupt. This time we're not going to the other box which is written else.
We have done that in Dopata 11 to 20. Because we are ending at 15. We just use the 1 to 5, 6 to 10. Then pana else at 11 to 20. Hello? Hello?
Tangatapa jamba manja.
So how do we remove? Because tangatato is 11 to 15.
Papa,
Number 3, tatova ne 3 ma else. Tina if na else na else. Tangatato manya.
You are moving ahead the lecture. These are the consequences. Right. Just press OK and see what happens.
Else at 11 to 20.
Because we are saying on those conditions we have got 11 to 15. So I'm just saying click OK and see what happens.
Without putting anything on else?
Yes.
Okay. That's this one. Has
what
not
happened?
Kunema dates, nema age, nema dates.
All right. Close and do not go and file. Then you just close. You do not say close and apply.
All right, we've closed.
Right. Can you start again the process?
Finish.
All right.
Start again and do like what I did.
Yeah.
Next time, do not go ahead of the lecturer.
Transform data. Tamwenda iko kwandi.
Right. Someone to lead.
Transform data, then she.
Then
Where is transform data?
All right. Can we have one person to just lead the process?
All right.
Alright, taenda pa transform data, to click transform data, then to traga absenteeism wedu uye absenteeism wetamona, then to click up on absenteeism over pa
Stanley, let's
Yeah.
move slowly.
The challenge now is for absenteeism yacho it's still upside down zviyastendi hazvina kudzokera back.
As we see, ignore. You are starting a new thing.
Right, apa ndaguma manje. The grace as absenteeism highlight. Tova taita say.
Then you go to add column.
Alright,
Then
yes.
conditional column.
Conditional column, correct. To change up a customer to absenteeism.
No, because already you have that tab yakanzichi.
So we're not
absenteeism
editing.
yaramba iripo. Look for a different name so that you are not confused.
All right.
So what do we say now? Staff absenteeism.
You can just say absenteeism days because that one it has a dash, right? So this one won't be having that dash. So you can say absenteeism days.
All right.
All right. We go to if.
Press absenteeism. Operator trace less than or equal to value tatutangana na 5. Ndizo 35 or 10.
5.
5. Then ukutoti 1 to 5. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Then add clause.
wodzosera in days
To
is equal what imwe zvakangofanana izvo woti 6 to 10
toti 10 first. Then 6 to 10.
toeda zviri column.
Aiwa, we don't want to add a third one.
Okay.
What happened here?
pane pandaona kuti wakabaya pachitu apa tokuenda close wakabaya absenteeism isina absenteeism days yataisa hausi kuwana option greater or less than. Saunotobaya absenteeism days ndokuti uwane chioption less than and what paoperator.
All right, where are you guys? Because antatanga tikati first one condition 5 0 to 5, then the second one 6 10 6 to 10, then you then go to else where you put 11 to 20.
Right.
Are we there? Are we together?
Yes.
And make sure that on your first box you were putting absenteeism days.
Very tricky, Papa.
Because if you're putting department or something else, that won't happen. All right, if you are done, put OK.
Or pa else 11 to 20, and it.
Yes.
The problem.
Go to file close and apply to.
Teacher Zoka.
The same thing came back.
Zvadzoka zvakadaro.
Hey, that's what I was saying.
Tishandisa ndeupi?
Absenteeism days, the correct one.
No, the two, was it in words or was it a dash?
No, not dash.
You were
But
using
the same thing has come back.
You were using two like me.
Dash.
You were using dash.
No, we're not using dash. Okay, which dash are you talking about? For two. Oh, yes, we're
Yes.
using dash. Are we supposed to say
Yeah,
two?
but I'm using words. You are not following instructions.
And we're listening and we're looking
No,
at
what
our...
you do now, what you do, don't repeat. Can you come here? Like, can you see my arrow? My
move it
pointer.
again. Move it so
My-
that we see.
My pointer
Oh,
here.
yes, we can see it.
You see added conditional column 1.
Where are
You see
now?
where my arrow is?
Yes, there.
You click here on this icon for settings for that column.
We are
Right.
not seeing what you're talking about. Your arrow is on
This-
job satisfaction.
Job satisfaction.
Yes.
All right, can you see a box here, rakanzi properties, applied steps?
The problem when you get my boxes, we don't see the boxes. So that's why we were moving with you so that we will be seeing our own boxes. Then we never saw
No,
that.
I mean, are you on the tables? Do you have the table?
Well, now we go to our table. Yes, we're on our table.
Kune one's properties applied
Yeah,
steps.
Alright.
applied steps.
Then we go away.
Pakanzi added conditional column.
Ari 3. Kune edit conditional column, goita edit conditional column 1, na edit
then
conditional
conditional
column 2.
Right. Imimi endai pa 2. Yenyu nenge ya 2 kai. Then there's an icon like settings. So you click on that icon.
Alright.
Once you click on it, something like this will appear. You are back at your...
Yeah, we are back. So now we write
Right,
put
now
it
you correct, you put
Alright.
2 in words where you were putting dash.
Okay.
Or you mean Pamas 11 to 15?
Yes.
Supposed to write 2, not dash, and it.
Not
Yeah,
dash.
yeah.
That's why we were getting
But
funny
those
things.
and I kainin.
You were writing 2.
Right now 2, 11 to 15.
I see, should we put my spaces? Which is 6 dash, 6 space, then 2 space, then 10.
Yeah, I tried doing that. What happened to you, Stanley? You are saying, did you do it? Does yours look like mine? This one?
Inini kunoku kwenyu kunoku hakuna chandikuona ndiri kuteerera voice chitobaya.
Right.
think we're together.
Now yakubudisa kuti 2. Vana 11 to 20, 0 to 5,
Yeah.
6 to 10.
All right. Stanley, did you succeed?
Inini alright, absenteeism days yangu column ka yakagreya ina 11 to 15, 0 to 5, but hazvina ka-order so like zvatamboona mashure.
Ka-order say.
Stanley, chitaipa parts I will.
Muruti order is in what?
Zvinenge zviri scattered. Zvaari kutaura is what we
so
read.
right.
Zvinenge zviri scattered so.
Alright,
Because there's no
Aiwa,
order
right,
kuti first employee
incorrect.
6 to 10, no.
Alright,
It's
saka
according to
zviri
employee. Maybe employee 1 has served 7 years. So the next employee has served 11 years.
Uh-huh.
So I think we are in the same direction.
All
Now we then save, file, then close and apply.
Okay. Yeah, the ladies
Right.
are quiet. Are we moving together?
Betty. Betty is now sleeping. Betty, are you still there? Hello? Where are
Hello,
you?
Doc.
Where are you?
Tiripo edi tatonyora table kuti absenteeism days tatonyorera zvimwe.
All right, it's fine. So now let's remove department on x-axis here and on y-axis. Let's tick on absenteeism days. Where is it? Here, right? And is it the no absenteeism? Mine is absenteeism, and it has got a different title than yours, and it. So make sure you enter the correct one.
Say absenteeism and absenteeism days. There are two.
Right. The one without summation is the one that you need to put.
That's a shame.
Right.
Windows social 3. Once you click here, save format, then what?
Title page. General.
Right. This one is good as a pie chart, and
It's called what? It's called
absenteeism.
Yes.
hello, are we together? People are now quiet.
All right, Twitter pie chart.
Yes, let it be pie chart. Legend, we correct, we put it bottom center. What?
Pie chart. Oh, we are now turning it to a pie chart as well.
Yeah, because I think it's better as a pie chart.
Still saying department.
Yes, we have to correct it. It doesn't change automatic.
I wrote absenteeism days, but I still need two places that I was supposed to write. Inside it's still
On
saying
general.
department. I go back. General.
Ndio page chat yangu enda kutupa.
Right, for me, it's done. Who is with me?
General. Could you say general but format?
Title and
You in the page chat yangu ichienda.
Where's this one? Then are we together?
Yeah, we are together.
You have corrected the legend.
And according to the legend, guys, the title Nanyora absenteeism.
Oh,
All right, no, it's fine.
hey, it should be absenteeism. Which absenteeism
Not this.
do we
I
pick?
say
Anna?
it's
The one without a dash.
absenteeism without summation.
Without
Right.
Summation.
Without this summation side.
Do you have a
Alright.
But you guys, you now have 3 absenteeism, and it.
So do you know the one without
But
summation?
the absenteeism days is in a dash.
Ngisho zvathize izvo.
Absenteeism and it's in a dash.
Zvadhaka. Tarisawo.
Anti kana department ana chichia. Usare na
Besides
absent.
Then
department.
Is there anything to drag?
Yes, you drag it. It's the process that we have been doing the whole day.
Apa waenda papa
If you tick it, it appears on.
waenda papa ndiwambondiendesa futi papa handichapa kuichide cheichi.
Haiwa, that's search. Stanley,
Mhm.
ndenge ndiri pachivisual or general.
Boss pane absenteeism ari pamusoro nesummation sign. Tomusiya iyoyo.
Saka toshandisa ine summation sign.
Aiwa yechi3 isinayo yechi3.
Ndine 2 asina, 1 ine days, the other one is just haina days, it's just absenteeism. So which one do I
In a
take?
days.
In a
Days,
You are
all right,
using
but
the
isina
number
summation. All right, I
isina
ticked
summation
that
sign.
one.
Ko
Isina
atika zvimwe
summation.
zvese izvo.
Ndatika asina summation sign, but my table is empty. It's blank.
Momove manje
No,
kuendera kune y-axis wati zvatachiita zvokumuvha zvezve.
Pazvipo manje.
Ndozvatakutoshaya manje zvema
Waenda patitle first.
pane values here. Go pakanzi, hello.
Yes.
Remember at the top here, come here where it's build visual. Here on add data to your visual.
Okay, wait, let me come back to see what you are saying. You're saying I should come or to this where there is your finger. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, we're back. Yeah, we were lost.
Florence.
Right, let's drag and put up a percent. Come down.
Hapana pekuenda down.
Then we put per y and per x or per y.
Yes.
And it's this one, the tip one. Okay, yeah. I've managed. Thank you. Right. Click.
Zoita pie chart here.
Ada umbobatsira unani.
Ndikumbobatsira Rudo panapa.
Windows 9.
Ndina Rudo ane Windows 9 panapa.
Yeah, but we are almost done. I think 2 steps we are done.
We lost it.
Maybe ladies, can you share one laptop? Can you share one laptop?
Okay, we've done
this
it pie
period of
chart.
time? You have
Yeah,
done the
we're
pie
now
chart.
sharing one. Yes.
Can you edit the legend so that it's with that key is on the bottom?
Okay,
And
we
then
go to
edit
legend.
the
A legend, when we click, then what comes out? Absenteeism days.
you clicked on legend.
Eh,
There is a Pagan's position there. You click bottom center.
we are not seeing that one. Which
Did
legend?
you
Maybe
go on the legend?
is there another legend? I'm clicking on the one on the
No.
right.
No, not that one. Remember, we want to
Okay.
edit now. Come at visual, on visual here. Are you on visual?
On visual.
Right. Come here where it says format of
Oh,
visual.
legend. All right. Then it says
I
position.
hope you didn't do anything
No. So what
on
should
that
I?
area.
What should we click? Center right. It already
No.
is center right position.
Bottom center.
Oh,
Bottom center.
center. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Now there is the key.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can change the title. Change the title. You know what to do now. The title.
It's changed. It's absent.
It's already saying absenteeism days.
Oh, you already changed the
I
title.
think I had already done that.
All right, it's fine. What do we do now? I think you can in your exam you can You can come up with many boxes. But in the interest of time, let's move on. But even these, remember in Excel, we needed slicers to check. But
Yes.
the advantage for Power BI is that even these charts, if we click, let's say here, this age group, we click here, you see what happened to the whole of data. It has been filtered, right? So that's the advantage of Power BI. It filters data. Even your pie chart can do that function of slicers. Let's just click again so that we reset the data. Are we together? Hello?
Akuriseta manja.
You just click again.
Yeah.
What are we clicking? Our charts?
Kana mpie chart mungobaya so colors up.
I was saying you just click on anything. Like if I click here,
oh,
it
it's
has
changing.
filtered everything. It's now
Yeah.
showing people of this age group alone. In department, job level,
Yes.
absenteeism. To reset, I just click on the same pie chart.
So we don't need
or
the slicers.
No, we need them. I'm just explaining that even these charts, you can use them. Right. Are we together?
Yes, we are moving together.
Mato reset and it's no longer filtered. Hello?
What do you mean it's no longer filtered?
I was saying like this, if I click here, it's filtered and So to reset, I just click on the same pie chart so that it's unfiltered.
Yes,
All right.
it's gone back to normal.
All right. So now what we want to do, we want to put slicers. Let's close filters here. You see these two arrows on filters. Hello? Peter, are you still in?
I'm soldiering on.
All right, let's close on filters. Then on visuals here, let's come on add data to your visual. Right. Are we together? Now we want a slicer. Are we together? Hello? Class, can you confirm? Because it won't help after doing something, then someone says, I'm still doing.
No, can you start all over again, say from filters?
What I was saying, I had something like this. Then I clicked these two arrows pointing to the right to close filters. Can you see these arrows? Click the two arrows and filters close. Hello?
Correct.
We're together, say.
All right. Now, I was here on format of visual, right? And then I clicked this one, which is saying add data to your visual. This one. Right, are we together?
Yes.
Hello. Now I want a slicer. Now I'm going to search here icon for a slicer. Here is my slicer, this one. Can you see this one? Slicer. Can you find your slicer? If you have your slicer, can you confirm?
Okay, now I'm looking for slicer.
Roger, confirm.
All right.
Baby, Yes, confirmed. This one, I need to find him.
Maslice
Then
acho
we
akabuda
confirmed.
akawanda. Because ndina
No,
list
tirikuda iyi isiri special. Tungoda slicer iyi. Isiri just general slicer. I know here is zvine lightning. We don't want this one. There are also slicers, but we want
alright,
general
ndaiona.
slicer.
He wants
Mhm.
this one.
All right. Those ones you can use them once you are advanced. But now let's do the general. Click on the slicer. Sorry. Make sure that you are not clicking on any chart because it will replace that chart. So
It
yeah,
is already
can you
replaced.
click back on those two arrows
Okay.
undo? Can you
Wait.
undo and it?
Yeah.
And then click outside the charts so that it's not on the
Mm.
chart and it.
Mm.
Right. Right. So then click on the slicer. Do we have the slicer?
Mhm.
Yes.
Mine is at the top. I can drag it and put it here. Then I make it small. Right. On slicer now, we want to, let's say we want to do job satisfaction. We just click job satisfaction. We tick it. You see what has happened?
Mhm.
It's now a slicer for what? For job satisfaction. Right.
Mhm.
But we want to edit the slicer now. We go to format your visual.
Oh, yes, format.
Format your visual. Yeah. Guys, makukanganwa zvinhu zvatiri kuita hode. Format is here.
All right, we
You
are
are there.
there.
Yeah, slicer settings.
Mhm.
Click on slicer settings.
Mhm.
We don't want this to be vertical because can you see I'm on the slicer? I have to push this up and down, up and down, up and down. I
Mhm.
don't want this one. On options, there's vertical list. I then choose drop down.
Mm.
Right. I choose a drop down. You see, now it's written O. I
Oh,
can
yes.
come here and choose
Mhm.
moderate. I want to see moderate. I want to see low. I want to see high, etc., etc.
Mhm.
Right. Then to undo the filter, you see this thing like an eraser, rubber, this one.
Mhm.
Yes.
You click on it, it will reset the data. Right. So that's number one.
It is. It was hiding. You said if we click on it, it will do what?
It will reset the data because we have filtered. Remember, like when I click moderate here, you see my data changed because it's a slice, right? So I want to all the people to visualize everything. I have to reset by clicking this one to clear what selections, to clear my filtering. And
Okay.
now everyone, that is why it's written all. Are we together?
Yes.
Right. Still editing. You are still on slicer settings. Right. Let's close the slicer settings. Let's go on general. Right. We are now on general. Hello.
Yes.
Effects.
We are there.
We go on effects. On effects there, we might want a visual border and it. Let's press on visual border. Rounded. corners 5, so that we have a rounded corner. Shadow on. Let's close on visual border. What do we want again?
Format effects.
On background, we might want a different color. This one is not okay.
I should off.
Yeah, let's take this one. Hey, it's odd. All right, let me take this one. On background. Yeah, still it's odd, and it.
Visual border off.
Let me leave it at white, and it.
Yeah.
All right, no, it's okay. I hope we are all here. We want to create more slicers. Let's reduce size of this slicer. Hey, what happened?
General effects.
Then what? Then visual border.
All right, so I want to reduce the size of this slicer, and I want to move it here. Job satisfaction here. I can move this here. Move this one here. Move this one here. Then I increase here so that job satisfaction appears. Right. I want to move this one here. Right. This is my dashboard. Right. Now, instead of us starting again redoing the process, we simply copy, right click, then on copy, copy visual, then Control V, another slicer appears. Let's say we need 3 slicers. Control V again, another slicer appears. We put it here. Right. We now need to edit this slicer. Tell me once you reach this stage. All right. What about others?
Ngatimbotangidza ito. Copy tatichia.
You right click, then you copy.
So
Then it says copy visuals. Then
then you paste.
then you paste. Then you copy and do a second one, and you copy and you do a third one.
2, 3.
Then zvirunzwika here.
Yeah, kutsanangura kurunzwika but copy.
I'm saying, do you have this one, the first slicer? What way is up?
79.
You right click.
Visual.
You right click and it. Then you do what? Copy visual. Then you start to paste. Control V twice. Then you have your other additional slicers. And it.
Yeah, and this also.
All right. I hope we are all here. Peter, you here? Petty.
Yeah, we are together, sir.
Yeah. All right. No, so we want to edit the second one and it. If you click on it, pane job satisfaction per field up and it. Can we all see job satisfaction on the field? On
Yes,
build
yes.
visual app, pakanzi add data to your visual. If you click it, you peruse down on field. There is job satisfaction. Hello? Florence,
Can't find it. Can you come back?
I'm saying on build visual. Are you on build visual? Did you click on add data to your visual here? Here,
Add data to your what? To your
to your
visual.
visual. Apa pandika click apa pane pointer yangu. On field it's written what? If you scroll down, you go down, don't scroll. Pane pakanzi field. What is there?
Anything about field.
No, what click you start by clicking on the slicer you want to edit.
Oh, all right.
Oh, no.
All right, it's now there, and it. Let's remove job satisfaction. Let's see tick rating is down.
Let's tick
And it performance rating. Pakanzi performance.
Okay.
As you can see, our slicer has changed even on the drop down. Average performance, high performance, low performance, then undo.
As you click on it, you want to edit format and we click up and edit data to fields. Yeah.
Then you go to add edge data fields.
Happy. Add
You
data
got it,
fields.
slicer.
Where is that one? You were just on field here. You were just removing job satisfaction and then ticking performance arikuno.
Performance
Rating.
rating.
Tick performance.
Okay, you first click on the
slicer.
Okay. Then you remove data job
Remove
satisfaction.
this and click on tab.
Right. So your slicer is now what? Performance rating. Right.
Correct.
Then we want to edit the third one. Go and click on the third slicer. We want to
The first one is performance rating. The second one is what?
the first what slicer is job satisfaction.
Oh,
Then the second one is performance rating. Then now we want to edit the third one.
The third one, okay.
So you click on the third one. You do the same process. You remove job satisfaction. You tick turnover intention.
Okay.
Right. So now we have turnover intention. And it
Yes.
we can check turnover intentions, can check those without turnover intentions, those with turnover intentions. Right. Then we can also clear our filter. So we are done with our slicers.
I think there's something I missed. If I click on the slicer, my tables should change. Why it's not changing?
Did you click the drop?
It dropped down, guys.
Down this one.
Up.
And click kunobuda average, high and low. All three.
One kanti unengochida kupyuta ka.
Chero chamabaya mona zvinochinja here zvima.
Zviri kuchinja. All right.
Then can you just click again. So that like mine here it's on low performance. Then if you want to see everything, pane kakaita se rubber ka eraser.
Okay.
Can you see it on my? You click it.
Yes. Then
You
it
see it's
says
now
off.
back to off.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how you check your data.
Okay.
Right. Now,
Mhm.
the final step, we want to do time card.
Time
Card. There's a time card and it.
Can you come again, sir?
I mean there's a time card. And it like
Okay,
this one. Can you see this one? This one yakanzi card. This one
Yes,
where my pointer is pointing. Here. Stanley, can you see it?
China 1, 2, 3.
Hey. But now I don't want this one. I want the one without a lightning, this one. Anyone with a time card without a lightning.
You said anyone with a time card, like what?
Without this lightning.
Yes, we have it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you have it, it's okay. Stanley, do you have it?
And national lightning jet.
All right. So what it means is that we want to add a time card. So the good news is that with Power BI, you are able to add charts. You see these 3 dots here, which is saying get more visuals. Can you see them?
Yes.
Stanley, can you see them?
No, I don't.
At the end of the chart,
And
yes, you click there, you say get more visuals.
Enter your email address. We're saying enter your email address.
Oh, you didn't register.
Yes, we didn't register.
But well, you guys have got the time card, so don't worry. Stanley is the one who has a problem. But anyway, Stanley, once you register on Power BI, you're able to get more. You see, there are more visuals that you can download.
All right.
Yeah. So I want the time card because I don't have it there. But I normally have it. I don't know why it disappears. When I say I type card, you see this is the card that I want. And I say
we are not seeing
card.
anything. So
Apana display.
All right. I'm no longer sharing. Share.
Sure, let's save. Yeah, right.
All right, can you see something now?
Not yet.
Nothing yet.
No, it's refusing to share. But no, this one is simple because you are just typing and then clicking whatever you want. So I typed the card and the card is now downloading the time card. So very soon I will have that time card that you have.
Lightning.
Hello?
Are you sharing anything?
No, I'm not sharing. It failed to share where the window that was downloading. But now I want to share again. All right, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Right, you see now I have a time card, which is here.
Yes.
So I make sure that I'm not clicking anything because if you have clicked the slicer or a chart and you add that time card, it will affect your graph. Make sure you are clicking outside the what? The box. So then I click the time card. So anyone with a time card, please can you click the time card? And it. Hello.
Yes.
Are we still together?
Yes. Mine is just a box.
Yes, it's a box because we haven't done anything. And
But yours has got graphs.
which one?
Yours.
No, mine is a bit advanced, but it's the same concept. Don't worry. Right. What do we do on our time card? We want the total number of everyone. Right. What do we do? Let us start by enlarging filter. Maaro aya atambobaya tichiviga filter. Let's click on them. This one, we click it again because we need filter. Right.
Yango is already like this way. Yes.
Right. What do we do now? We tick on, we want head count and it. So head count, you can get it anywhere. For example, let's click on department. What has happened? Is it written finance?
Yes, it's
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
You come here on the data field where it's written first department. Can you see that one? First department.
Yes.
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 You click on the drop down. You click on count, not count distinct, but count.
Count only.
Yes.
I'm now lost.
We said Pakanzi finance up and it. If you click the drop down arrow, you then click Pakanzi count.
First department. Then drop down arrow. If we go to drop down arrow, I'm seeing show items when the value contains. I don't know if I'm lost.
You are lost to show me.
No, you are lost. Are you on? Can you check on build visuals? Let me go down. Go back. Right. So let me go on finance. Right. You are here.
Let me see where you are. Where is your mouse? Okay.
No, I'm just check my
Oh,
dashboard.
yes, I'm here.
Say, how come
Right.
my graph on department disappeared?
You opened the slides on top of you had clicked.
What am I supposed to do now?
A graph has disappeared because she had clicked on the graph, I think, when she opened
No,
it.
she can use your laptop so that we, for the sake of time.
And
All
when
right.
she's
So
gone,
you are here, right?
Right,
Florence,
that's
you are
where we
here.
are.
Yeah, you see here where it's build the visual.
Eh,
Right. You come down, there's where there's written data field.
all right.
Data field.
Data field. How come I'm not seeing data field?
All right.
I'm seeing fields. I'm not seeing data field.
Can you click here on under build the visual? Here, can you see
Yes.
my pointer?
Yes. Right inside, and
Can you follow the arrow going down? Can you see my pointer now?
it's under first department, and
Yes.
right. I'm going to my all right. I'm on
So
the
if
first
you
department.
click this arrow now,
Uh-huh.
you will see where it's written count, but there are two. There's one count distinct. You don't
Distinct
want
and
that
count.
one.
Okay.
You just want general count. What has
Okay.
happened?
150 count of
Yes, we
department.
have 150 employees, right?
Okay.
So you take this one. Let's take it here. Why is it not moving? I want to move it. Let me leave it like here because I'm failing to move. But let's edit this time card. We come at format visual. We come at category label. Do we need category label? No, because we will need a title, right? Then title, where do we go? General. A title is off. We put on. Then we type head count because it's the total number of what? Of
Employees.
all employees.
General. Okay,
Right.
general.
Where do we need it? We need it at the center, right? We come horizontal alignment. We need maybe to change the color of the title. I think just that. You can even change background color to this one. That becomes our what? Our visual, our time card. Right. Once we are here, instead of us repeating the process, we right click on this time card. No. I don't know why my time card is not moving. My Power BI is not responding.
Then he said you go to general and you say type.
Can you right click and copy that one? Are you able to do that?
Heading is what? Head count.
Hello?
Head count. We're a bit behind. Then after
Hello,
Hello, where are you?
we are trying to copy, but it's refusing to copy.
No, it's fine. Maybe it's because it is you have opened Power BI for a long period of time. So let us start again the process. Can you click on the other outside the time card so that we can come up with a time card again? Click the time card like what I have done. Let's resize it so that it's the same. Let us make it small. Then after having a time card, we now want gender. We click on gender. And it. Are you all here?
Yes.
Florence, where are you?
I have just clicked time card, so now I have time card. So now I'm looking for, you said gender.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I now am gender. It has said female, first gender.
Yeah, you come here, you click the drop down, you go to count.
Done that.
It's 150, right? And it, we have
Yes.
got a problem because we want only female. Right. So what we do, we drag gender and put it here pakanzi pama filters. If you read on filters, there's where it says after pakanzi count of gender, pane pakanzi add data fields here.
Yes.
You put gender there. So what do you see now?
We've got gender where it's written count of gender is then all in brackets.
No. That what happened to that box where you dragged the gender to?
We drag and put gender where?
Papa,
This
Papa,
one. Sorry, Florence. I'm saying,
Yes.
Can you see filters? Do you have
Yes,
that?
yes, I've seen filters. Then I drag gender and put it where?
Can you see the box against the count of gender is all?
Yes.
Under that box, there's a box saying add data fields here.
Okay, okay.
You drag gender and put it there.
Okay.
What do you see?
It's saying select all female, male.
You just click female.
All right, 78.
Right. Now, because you've got female, you want to change the title there. You start by removing category. You click format your visual. You put off category label. You go to general. You add the title. You type female. Right. You put it at the center. Center, background color, color of the text. Not right. I have got female there. Head count for female. Right. Let me see if I can copy it. I'm still refusing, so we do the manual way. Right, we start again. We now want a time card for male. We click on the time card. We resize it. Are you following?
Yes.
Right, we are redoing the process. Right. We tick gender again. Right. We go here on drop down, we say count. We then take gender and put it on add data fields. Then we select male now. Right. Male are 72. Then we want to edit now. We category label of general title on. We type male. The color of the heading is purple. The background has got a color. Heading must be at the center. Right, we are done. Are we moving together?
Now we're mail.
Yes.
So now we're clicking mail. Sorry, sir. Where do I get mail?
Remember where we were struggling to, you were saying, where do I drag gender to?
Okay, you're right. Under filters.
Right. That is that.
Okay.
Right. You can also on your own, let us click outside this time card and introduce another time card. Let's resize it. We want to see employment type, whether how many are contracts, how many are permanent. Then we come to drop down, count 150. We drag employment to add data fields. We choose contract employees, they are 80. Now we edit. We don't want the category label. We want to have a title. We say contract or contract staff, right? We choose the color for the heading, which was purple. The background, which was this color. Then we put it at the middle there. We are done with this one. We want another time card. We click outside that time card. We click on time card. Let's put it here. Right. Okay. We tick employment type again. Right. Then what do we do? Here we choose count. We drag employment contract to the data fields. We choose permanent employees. We go where we want to format our visual. We start by removing category label. We go to general. We put title on. Then we type permanent staff. Permanent staff. What is the color? It's purple. Purple here. What about the background? It's brown. What about it's at the center? Right. Are we winning, class? Let me wait for you here. Are we together?
We are winning.
Or you are winning?
Yes.
All right. Tell me once you are done.
Yeah, we are done.
We are done.
Yes.
All right. So this is our dashboard. My colors are ugly. I know next week you can do better for marks, for scores. So we'll give you an option to either use Power BI or Excel. It's up to you. Use this whole week to start to practice so that you score good marks in your practical presentation. During the week, I will share the data sets that we are going to use. I may even give you one data set, but the designs may be different. So now, guys, you need to save your dashboards, right? You can Control S, then you can save it in your file that you want. For example, I can say power like this. All right, and save it like this. Right, after saving it, you would want to share this one. Let's assume you have you have registered yourself, because this is for free if you are using it on your own. But if you want to use it as a company, that is when you need to subscribe. So to share, you click on file, then share. Once you click share, something might pop up. I'm not seeing. Right. So you see here, upload your file to OneDrive to share it. So you can upload it to OneDrive so that you can share with other departmental members and your superiors. That is if you are subscribing to Power BI. But if you are not interested, you can use Excel. Excel is still free to use. But we have just trained you so that you understand both Power BI and Excel. I hope you have understood. Any questions so far? Hello, Stanley.
From this side, no questions. We just want to thank you, and if you send up the recording, then we can practice so that we see if next time we are going to use Power BI or Excel.
But I personally
right,
think
so
Excel is better, say. Excel is better than this one.
no. But it's good to be used to both. But once you
True.
practice using my video, because with this one you don't have pivot tables. You go direct to what to charts. You understand? That is the advantage. The disadvantage is on transforming the data where you need to group, because in Excel you would have done it through what pivot tables. But once you watch this video, you can start to understand that it's more simple. So I will share again that video on the YouTube page. I don't have to share the link to you. I believe you followed that YouTube
Correct.
page. You just go to that YouTube. It will be the latest video. So as soon as you log out, I will upload the video as soon as you log out. Thank you for attending. I hope you have learned a lot. I know first day it's hard, but as you watch the video, understand that this is simple. How to come up with the time cards, how to come up with slicers and these different charts. And as students, I expect you to make use of almost these graphs, especially this one, the tree map. It's very, very special. I want to demonstrate. Let me click outside what happened there. All right, I want to click outside the time card and click the tree map. Let me put it here and drag it here. So that is same. You see, let's see, put what can we put on tree map? Let's put even what we have already done. Let's put job job satisfaction, right? Job level and drag it here. What happened with the tree map? All right, drag to the values. Right. Let's edit. Let's put data labels. You see, this is a wonderful, it's easy to read. We have 47 juniors. You can then edit the heading. You do the same steps that we have been doing. The title, even changing the colors. We've got 47 junior, 34 officers, 32 managers. And this is a problem. I think we picked it last time to say managers are more than officers. Why is this happening? Even senior managers are more than managers. This is a problem. And you can actually easily identify that visually without thinking very hard. That is the beauty of HR dashboards. It saves time in decision making because as you can see these visuals, you see something is wrong here, something is wrong there. So, class, we come to the end of the lesson. Any questions? Or anyone who wants to say he or she is happy attending these two lessons that we have done so far. Have we improved your skills or you still have the same skill set?
We are learning.
We've learned a lot,
All right.
but we need a lot of practice.
Yes. Practice is the ingredient. You can grasp these skills and you go for 2 years without repeating the same process. You forget. So you need to keep on practicing. If you have got you are part of the decision making in your organization, try to use these dashboards. You know, I hope Dr. Chimbadzwa told you why HR is moving into HR analytics and HR dashboard. It's because historically we have been failing to convince top management to buy into HR issues. Why? Because our recommendations, they are not based on statistics like what we are doing here. So it's hard for them if you talk something qualitative to say, no, we need to increase salaries. What evidence do you have to show that we need to increase salary? So if you have got these dashboards, you are making your presentations, you are showing them these dashboards to see, look visually, this is what is happening. Look here, if we show job satisfaction, it is only the top managers that are happy. Look at others that are not happy. It means we need to improve this and this using slicers, using, you show that you are bringing value. You are not just talking from hearsay. You are backing yourself. And it makes it hard for top management to refuse buying into your suggestions. So with that, I conclude. Let me share the recording. I hope next week we are going to enjoy. Come prepared, please.
How long is the exam?
No, it depends with you, but please, since no one will be correcting you, if you are stuck, you are stuck. you end there. So some will even do 5 minutes and they become stuck. We won't be helping you. We will be just assessing and putting marks. But it's not an exam, because I don't want you to have some anxiety. It's just an assessment to just measure that people were actually following, people have gained skills. And someone who score more marks is one who goes beyond what I was doing. Some of my colors, they are down because I didn't attend preschool. Especially you ladies, we expect you to be more creative. I know Stanley is not happy with that remark. So, yeah, if you can borrow some laptop which is quick so that we save on time. We wouldn't want to spend 2 weeks doing assessment, because others, we interact with you on personal basis. Someone is actually waiting for this certificate to get promoted. So we wouldn't want Stanley to delay that person, so that the quicker we finish, the quicker we start processing our certificate, so that everyone is happy.
Yes, go, please. Yes.
All right. So my inbox is open, guys. Those who want to chat on anything, assistance, I'm always there. So with that, thank you very much. Have a good day. I'm happy Manchester United is winning. I'm not sure if Stanley is not. Is not. Yeah, we are sending a statement. All right.
Saka kana mati muri kuwina simagana toti kudini.
We are coming for Gunners. All right. Anyway, guys, have a good day. Then check maybe after an hour or so, I would have uploaded the video. Have a good day and a week. All right. All the best. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.